I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook,
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A
Hey,
drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to Juice Comfort Zone, guys. Today we will be juicing, and the name of this juice is called Blueberry Beauty Juice with a twist, okay? My twist is just adding some spinach because the original recipe does not call for spinach. So you'll use probably about 1.5 cups of blueberries, 1 cup of pineapples, and 1 medium apple, okay? The health benefit of this juice is for the heart, cleansing and detox, and bone and blood, okay? So this is really a good juice to use. And here is my CRUSTED machine that I will be using, my extractor juice here. So stay tuned, let's get into juicing. Let's turn it on. Five. All right, that was 1 medium apple, so it's still draining. I turned it off. Now, since greens and stuff is on a level 5, we're gonna do the spinach, okay? Next. Did add a little bit more spinach to it. We're about to turn this to 3. Okay, and now we're going to do our pineapples. And for the berries, I'm going to put this on 1. Okay. With 1 hand, so forgive me. Yeah, the cleanup is real, guys. You know, you gotta get all that. Then some down in there, but not too bad. So, on to tasting what this goodness tastes like. So, we probably got about 9 or so ounces of juice, guys. As you can see, it's good. Almost gone. So, guys, there you have it. Blueberry beauty juice, okay, with a twist. So it is really good. I truly adore this juice. So go ahead and try it, guys. It is just, it's great. So day 1, juicing down, and I'm ready to go on this journey. So thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. And until next time, happy juicing. Hey, so you know it is still the Women's Month, History Month, right? Women's History Month. And I chose Stephanie Crafts and Creations as my woman YouTube influencer, okay? So she is so awesome. She does lots of cooking, baking, crafting, food reviews, and so much more. She loves the Lord, which is always my type of people. So Go on over, check her out. She had to start over her channel, so now she is starting over. And so let's help her get to her 1K and 4K and get monetized. Go on over and check her out. She makes some delicious cakes, y'all. She be in there baking with her grandbabies and doing her thing over there. So, girl, keep rising, keep doing your thing, keep trusting the Lord because He is good all the time. So this is it for my video today. Thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. And if your heart feels content to do so, click the subscribe button. All we want to do is love on you while you love on us. And yes, thumbs it up, thumbs it up. It helps us with the algorithm for YouTube to share us out for others to come view. So with that being said, guys, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later.